guys, it is 7:43, November 23rd, the day before Thanksgiving, and I'm getting ready to prep everything I need for tomorrow. Well, I'm not doing everything. Kayla and I are going to be grating all the cheese for the mac and cheese. Then my mom's going to be washing and cutting the greens, and Kayla was supposed to be helping out, but she's doing her little gaming thing. So Kayla will be washing the chicken, and I'm going to season it for tomorrow, because we're not going to do turkey, because honestly we're all over turkey. Well, at least I am, and my mom and my dad and my brother. The twins, I think Kayla doesn't really care, but Kayla, you know, she's still, anyway, either way, we voted and it was 4-2. So we didn't get a turkey, but I did get chicken wings and legs, like drums. So I'm going to be making that instead of turkey, and I'd rather chicken anyway than turkey. So I'm gonna season that tonight, so when it's time to cook, I'm actually gonna be waking up at 4 a.m. tomorrow, so I can get started super early, so that the dinner, you know, the food will be ready by like at least 1 p.m. because the thing that's gonna take the longest will be the chicken, because we do it in the air fryer and it's small, so you have to do like 4 pieces at a time, so that takes a long time. So yeah, so hopefully I'll be done by like 1 p.m. tomorrow, waking up at 4 a.m. starting the chicken early, and we'll just see. So tonight I'm getting ready to grate some cheese. I bought 8 blocks of cheese, so that's gonna take a little minute. Anyway, we're gonna do that, and then I'll show you guys grating the cheese, and then I'll show you guys the entire process tomorrow of me cooking everything for Thanksgiving. So let's get it. So I just bought this cheese grater today, which is so cool. It has its own little container thing, so when I'm grating the cheese, it's just going in here. Anyway, like I said, we have 8 cheeses to grate total, so I'm gonna split it into 4. I'll get 4, Keela will get 4, and we'll go based off that. So let's get it. Our next one's ice. You want ice? Our next one's ice. You want ice? Let's get ice. Okay, what the? In out. In out. My clock on my camera is so wrong. It's an hour ahead. It's 4:49 and I woke up at 4:42. I don't know what happened. I set an alarm for 4:30 and I woke up at 4:42. I don't even know how. Okay, he was here. Dude, I set an alarm for 4:30 and I got up at 4:42.
Wow.
Like, I don't know why.
What? Did your alarm go off?
It did. I turned it off, but I guess I went to sleep for 12 minutes.
Oh, wait.
And I thought it was like 1 minute. And yeah, anyway. So, let's get started. So I decided to wake up later. I was gonna wake up at 4, but then I was like, I couldn't wake up 4:30 because I realized that I don't have to air fry all of the chicken. I can literally bake it in the oven, which will make it go by faster, which means the chicken won't be the longest thing that has to cook. So
Which means we can eat some chicken.
that too.
Yeah.
So anyway, let this long process commence.
I think that I lost my head, don't know why. Don't know why. I realize when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see, make you see. I have realized. That we'll be alright.
So this is the end of my vlog. I just wanted something simple for today, showing you guys everything I did. Waking up at 4 and literally cooking. Cooking didn't even take long though, because I started at 5 and I finished the food at like 10:50 something. So 11 the food was ready, and usually like the past few years food would be ready at like 2 o'clock. Thanks, mother. So I don't even know why it took a short amount of time, but I know I was smart for baking the chicken in the oven instead of waiting for it to be cooked in that small air fryer. I probably still would have been cooking that chicken right now, and it's 6:53. Of course that's a gross exaggeration, but that's what it would have felt like, right, Thundy? He agrees. Anyway, that is the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!